Ready to dive into the chase? Feel the excitement, sense the tension, and witness the thrill of the pursuit in cop signal. This is police action like you've never seen before. Let's hit the gas. A shocking moment unfolded in Jurupa Valley as a car went airborne and slammed into a home garage. The driver appeared to lose control while attempting a high-speed turn, leading to the dramatic crash. Two Buena Park police officers were in a crash while responding to a call in Anaheim. They were taken to the hospital for evaluation and later returned to duty. Surveillance footage captured two vehicles colliding outside a store, narrowly missing a group of shoppers in Peru. Surveillance footage captured a dramatic moment as a vehicle slammed into the front of a tobacco store in Brea on Thursday evening. Los Angeles police are searching for a stolen vehicle suspect who crashed and fled on foot in North Hollywood Monday night. In South Lake Tahoe, a driver battled slippery conditions as their Jeep spun and slid down a snowy ski-run boulevard, struggling to stay in control.
If you just go forward, you'll be fine.
The accident occurred on Friday as powerful storms moved through Georgia, causing widespread disruptions.
Yeah. I'm going to catch it up quick. They're in the car.
Who's in the car?
People in the car.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, we got to get them out.
Can we bust them?
This won't even, I don't hear when anyone can work. Yeah, we're going to have to. Get back, get back, get back.
Go over with
Come on, Bobby. Come on. Come on, come. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Come on. Come on. Yes, you can.
Clear. Stop that. Breath for a minute. I'll traffic.
I'd have lost my keys.
A black motorcycle failed to signal and evaded an officer on Interstate 430, leading to a high-speed chase onto Rodney Parham Road. The rider, Adam Vaughn, slowed near Treasure Hill Drive, but crashed while attempting to turn. Vaughn, found with methamphetamine, was arrested and taken to jail.
Speeds down to 50. Coming up to Treasure Hill.
Approaching Treasure Hill, 915.
Hey, stop right there. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Don't move.
Yes, sir.
I've got a gun pointing. Rodney Parham at Treasure Hill. Don't move.
I won't move. I'm sorry.
Belong to you?
Yeah, I just got it legal.
So it's registered to you?
Yes, sir. No, it's registered.
Say that again? I seen him say. Yeah. He made the turn here. Comes up. I know. Let me stop my camera.
Melina Logan stole a 2024 Honda Civic during a test drive at Honda of South Miami. After refusing to stop for a Florida Highway Patrol trooper, she led officers on a high-speed chase on State Road 826. The pursuit continued as Logan drove recklessly, evading capture.
Southbound approaching 36, southbound approaching 36.
How do we take the radio? Because I'm afraid we're going to get to you.
74, that's 74.
Hey, we're still southbound. It's approaching 253. She's still going southbound. Therefore, you advise she's still going forward at the vehicle?
Multiple signal 4, she's trapped inside the car.
Hey, right before the exit to 253, Miami, start fire.
DeMarco Lee Earls led officers on a high-speed chase, reaching over 115 miles per hour on the Suncoast Parkway. The pursuit ended with a PIT maneuver after Earls lost control of the vehicle. He was arrested, and drugs, including cocaine and fentanyl, were found in the car.
Correction, eastbound Ridge. I think, yeah, eastbound Ridge. He's not going to have anywhere to go. Alright, now we're going to use her westbound Ridge. Westbound Ridge.
south of 51, I think you're by 150.
I don't know what time it is. Signal 12 working on the northbound engine bridge with 589.
Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
In Alliance, Ohio, a woman confronted a man reporting domestic violence at the police station, blocking his car. After refusing to exit her vehicle, she rammed 2 police cruisers before being arrested. Under the influence of drugs, she now faces charges, including felonious assault, and is held on a $100,000 bond.
Hey, touch her.
Do not let
Calm
her
down.
touch her. No, don't hit me.
What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window. I'm going to break out the window if you don't.
Wait!
No, you can go over there.
No!
No! .48 headquarters. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck. No. Get out of the car! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
Charles Williams fled from Deputy Larson after running a stop sign in Summerfield, Florida. After jumping from his moving car, he was tasered and arrested following a brief chase. Williams, charged with multiple offenses including resisting arrest, is held on a $9,000 bond.
Station 33.
Come here! This nigga said it! Please stop! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back, you're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you.
Gwinnett County Police pursued a stolen vehicle linked to a carjacking and shooting. The chase ended with a PIT maneuver, and suspects James Stephen Casey and DeAndre Marquez Everett were captured after fleeing on foot. Both face multiple charges and are held at Gwinnett County Jail.
One day, maintain pad 3. There's a gun in here, I think so. Okay, get the glove, Yep. Get up! Hands behind your back, bro.
We're happy to share today's video with you. Make sure to subscribe to become part of our channel community. Goodbye, and see you next time.